At the top of the markbook, you'll find an overview of the assignment. Hovering over certain items will give you more information, such as the highest scoring question. If you need a quick reminder of the questions you set, you can either view the assignment as the student saw it, or open the question key, where you'll see all the questions you set at a glance. This also gives a handy summary of average scores for each question. The hide feature is great if you're concerned about bias whilst marking, and also is really useful if you want to display the assignment results in a class feedback session, as you don't need to worry about revealing individual student answers. The pods column can be hovered over with your mouse to see which videos the students watched from those that you set, and hovering your mouse over the score column will show the total marks awarded. All multi-choice questions have already been marked and are colour-coded. You can quickly get a sense of which questions were well answered and which students may have found this assignment challenging. Red indicates a wrong answer, and by clicking on the cell we can see the wrong answer given. You can press on your keyboard the down arrow, and that will take you through all of the other student answers to that question so you can see them all together. If we want to quickly leave feedback for any student who got a wrong answer, we can simply type this in here, and then using the drop down, we can send that to a whole group of students at once who got an incorrect answer. Once feedback is sent, a blue dot is added to the cell, just like you can see here, which is used to remind you where you've already given feedback. Any cells with this icon need to be manually marked by you. Here we can click to see the question and the student's answer. We simply need to tap the mark into our keyboard and you'll see it saves immediately and colour codes the cell. To leave written feedback, again, just type into the box and you can either click send to send it to a specific student, or you can click the drop down, which will give you a few more options. Whilst giving feedback, you might find it helpful to know whether the student actually watched the pods that were associated with the question, and you can click pods to see this. In this case, the student didn't watch all of the pods, so to ask them to watch those pods as a follow-up task, just click the Boost tick box. This will automatically add the pods to the student's Boost playlist, which is designed to support them in filling gaps in their knowledge. Finally, if you see this icon, it means a student has left you a message and you may wish to respond. Click the cell and then type in your feedback. Remember, you can also adjust their score based on the information they've given you if required. Should you wish to export this markbook for storage elsewhere, simply click the download option at the top of the page. And if you'd like to rewatch this tutorial at any time, just click here.